Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert 3D rotation to picture in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then you want to insert 3D rotation, go to the home menu. Select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and choose the picture option. Then choose picture from our file. Then select the image and click insert. Then choose the image and resize this. Then select the image and go to the picture format menu and select the picture effect drop down menu and added the 3D rotation. You can add any rotation. Now I am select this. Now we can see we add 3D rotation to picture very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.